Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to answer a question that might sound technical, but I promise by the end of this video you will get it crystal clear. What exactly is a database? How does it store data? And why is it so important in everything from your phone to your bank to even Netflix? Stick around because I'll explain it all simply, visually, and with real life examples. Let's start with the basic. You already know what data is, right? Your name, your phone number, your email address, your photos, all of that is data. Now imagine a small store that sells clothes. The owner writes down each sale in a notebook. Customer name, what they bought, how much they paid. At first, this works fine. But as the shop grows, the notebook fills up fast. Pages get lost, handwriting becomes messy, and finding information becomes a nightmare. That's where a database comes in. A database is just a structured place to store and organize data, so you can find it, update it, and use it whenever you want. It's like a digital filing cabinet, but way smarter. Now you might be thinking, why not just use Excel or Google Sheets? Isn't that also storing data? Good question. Let's compare. A spreadsheet is great for simple data, like tracking expenses or managing a class list. But when you have thousands or millions of records, multiple users accessing it at the same time, and relationships between different kinds of data like customers, orders, and products, spreadsheets fall apart. A database, on the other hand, can handle all that efficiently and securely. It's designed for large-scale multi-user data management, and that's why every serious business uses one. Think of it like this. A spreadsheet is a single notebook. A database is an entire library with an organized system. So, how does a database actually work? At its core, a database is made up of tables. Each table looks like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Let's say you run an online store. You might have a customers table, a products table, an orders table. Each table stores specific data, but they are all linked together through something called relationships. For example, each order connects to one customer and one product. This linking makes it super easy to find all orders made by a single customer or see which product is selling best. So instead of storing duplicate data everywhere, databases connect it intelligently. Types of databases. There are many types of databases, but the two main ones you should know are relational databases and NoSQL databases. Relational databases are the most common. They store data in tables just like we discussed and use something called SQL, short for Structured Query Language, to manage and retrieve information. Examples: MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, etc. They are perfect when your data has clear relationships like customers, products, and orders. NoSQL databases. These are more flexible. They store data in different forms like documents, key value pairs, or graphs instead of strict tables. Example: MongoDB, Firebase, and Cassandra. NoSQL databases are great when your data is more unstructured, like social media posts, user activity, or sensor data from IoT devices. You might be surprised, but databases are literally everywhere in your daily life. When you log into Facebook, your account info comes from a database. When you order food on Uber Eats, your address, restaurant data, and order history are all stored in a database. Even your phone contacts are a mini database, names, numbers, emails, all linked together. Without databases, apps would not be able to save, search, or share information properly. The digital world would basically collapse. Key terms you should know. Let's go over a few important words you'll often hear. Table, where data is stored like a sheet. Record, one row in a table like one person's info. Field or column, a category of data like name, email, phone. Primary key, a unique ID for each record. Query, a request to find or modify data. For example, a query might say, show me all customers from London who ordered more than 3 times, and the database instantly returns the results. Why databases matter? So, why should you care? Because data is the heart of every digital system. A good database helps keep data organized, make access fast, ensure data is secure and consistent, support analytics and decision making. Even small businesses use databases now, from managing customers to tracking inventory. And if you are learning tech, IT, or business, understanding databases is one of the best skills you can develop. So, next time you log into an app or save a photo, remember there's a database working quietly behind the scenes making it all possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning tech. And comment below, should I make a video about how SQL works next or not? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.